Hi guys, it's me, Luna, and today I'm going to show you how to make an origami cat head. So the first step is to take two corners, put them on top of each other to make a triangle from our 5 by 5 inch square. Fold a triangle. Then we've got our triangle. We fold the two edges to the tip. First edge is complete. Second edge is almost complete. Okay, the second edge is now complete. Okay, now we flip it over so the flap is now on the bottom. And we fold both of them up so that there's a triangle. Fold right next to the triangle that we folded up. Do that with both sides. Now we take our diamond-shaped other fold on the top, and then we fold it down. And then we flip it over, and then we fold both of our bottom flaps up to make a triangle. And now we open these two flaps, open it up, and then stick the bottom flap into the cat head, fold it back up so that there's only one flap, and then you fold the one flap down so that it touches the bottom. And now the cat head is done. I'm using this really old pencil to draw some cute little cat eyes, cat nose, and there. I hope you liked it, and thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Bye, and here's my cat head. Bye.